Hi guys, this video is from KhoobSurati.com studio, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to do crimped hair with flower hairstyle. Now guys, let's get started with this hairstyle. Neatly comb your hair. Take a separate section of it on the right side. And hold it with the help of a clip. Now from the left side, take a section and divide it into 3 parts. Make a braid, normal braid with these 3 parts, taking a new section every time into the normal braid you are making. Now twist the remaining hair on left side and those on the right side. Wind them around each other spirally to make a braid. Now combine this braid with the previous one by winding them around each other. And roll them upwards to make a bun on the left side. Simply secure the bun with the help of pins. Now guys, to accentuate this hairstyle, add a stylish hair accessory for this hairstyle. Guys, this is the final and the finished look that you will get. Guys, I hope you like this video. For better hair care and styling, click here to buy from KhoobSurati.com. So that you can tell me what you want to see in my next video. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Get connected to us for the most happening and interesting things on Facebook.